As usual, down the bottom of the avenue. Mushroom spotting, as usual. Well, got these ones, which have been coming up and been ran over. She won't eat them. There's the ones over there, the tiny wee ones. I think they've actually, yep, they've gone over. No longer exist. Oh, Charlie. A couple of days and we come round and go back. And we have, over this way, has to be cleared, a baby puffball. I'll go around this side. Itty bitty baby puffball. I think this is where there was a few of them last year. And the bit that I'm still filling in, kind of levelling it off a wee bit. We have the puffball that's now way past its best, but it's still getting eaten, and it's the size of a basketball. So, always mushrooms, always fungus, always something. But it's raining, which is good for all the trees because quite a few of them are struggling. My pseudo orchard, which will be extended. Between apples, pears, and some crab apples. I'll get the bases of them sorted. So there's playing around with a few things. Some logs, put them round square, and then put some bark to prevent, because that's literally 2 weeks and the logs are getting covered. And that humongous beech, that branch is just way too long. That's going to come down by itself and cause more damage to it, possibly aimed underneath. Charlie having a wee wander back up. She's done. Fed up. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Oh, attitude. So, this is the bit where the tractor used to go. It would have looked a lot different. That right there is the actual hedgerow. You can just see bigger plants as they go down. There's usually dog rows, and there's still stumps in where we had the hedgerow. So that amount would have been usable, and this would have been all hard packed all the way down. It's a lovely walk. I wouldn't want to drive a tractor in it. We've had trucks, flatbeds and trailers on it. It struggles a bit because the soil's gone a bit soft, just because it's been grass all the time. Okay, take the bucket back up. Whoa. And collect some more rubble. But not today. I think I'm done. I managed to get some of this cut today. Pass through, I'll get all this. I'm going to leave quite a lot of nettles because we need nettles, and I'm going to use these areas here. That was nettles for 3 or 4 years, and I've been cutting it down, and I'm going to put some flowering shrubs, something to, hopefully some native, and try and get something grown in there that will attract the bees around this side, because there's very few flowering plants around here. But we'll get there. Alright, back up Charlie, come on. Go in for his tea. If you don't mind just clicking like, don't mind if you don't subscribe, because the content's a bit sketchy at the moment. And just like if you want, and I'm just going to keep going anyway. Here we have old Piggery in stables. Piggery's from the 1800s stables, 50s, 40s, and all this was a slurry pit and for the wee horse or pony they had, and it's now just a bit overgrown, but that'll get taken care of. So long, good night. I'm getting wet. It's lovely and warm, but it's wet. We'll get there.